I oversee all of our publisher and platform partnerships, programmatic platform partnerships. As you know, LG is a global TV manufacturer. We have 200 million devices globally. It's well documented in the last couple of years. We've made a lot of noise around our ambitions to become and move towards becoming a media and entertainment platform business. And so, we have our fast service, LG Channels. It's available in 29 countries. It's free. That includes both AVOD and FAST. And so that's kind of our foray into, that kind of content ambition.